for all you chocolate lovers. Lego. Whole milk. Then we're gonna pour it into the blender. Then we're gonna add mocha, Java chips, cookie crumble, and dark chocolate curls. Then I'm gonna add cream base, ice, and then blend. I'm gonna add a little cookie crumble at the bottom. Then pour it into the cup. Add whipped cream. Some more cookie crumble. A lid. There you have a secret menu chocolate explosion frappuccino. Enjoy. Skittles frappuccino. Strawberry puree. Whole milk to the first line. 4 pumps of vanilla. 1.5 pumps of raspberry. Cream base. Put it in the blender. Pour it in the cup. Add a little more puree. And for the best part, whipped cream. If you're feeling extra, add a little bit of puree on top. Add a lid. There you have your Skittles Frappuccino. If you love strawberries, you have got to try this Frappuccino. We're going to start with lots of puree, whole milk, into the blender, a little vanilla. Then I'm going to add 4 scoops of strawberries, ice, cream base, lid, and blend. Pour it into the cup. Add whip. Add a lid. Would you look at that? Enjoy. Blended raspberry lemonade. Lemonade. Four pumps of raspberry. I'm gonna add 1 scoop of dragon fruit and then 1 scoop of strawberries. Ice. Cream base. And blend. Then pour. Add a lid. You have a blended raspberry lemonade. Enjoy.